Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Darren, aka the Six Figure Dad. Thanks for being here. If you haven't subscribed, please click on that button below and subscribe so you get the next Make Money Online tips that I talk about on a weekly basis. Okay, today I want to, now listen, my previous video is very similar to this, but the reason I want to talk about this today is because we've got a webinar happening tomorrow, and it's your opportunity to get started, to build your online business for free, without having to go and spend $500 on one of those courses. Okay, nothing against those courses. There are some really good ones out there, but there are some shockers as well. Okay, I've spent over $4,000 in buying these courses, and many of them I don't even promote anymore. Right, so I've currently gone all in with this process because I think not just for beginners, right? Because struggling digital marketers out there who have bought many courses, fallen for shiny objects, like I've talked about myself, this is the game changer, because this free community you see on screen right now, this is going to give you the opportunity to get started without paying a penny. Okay, it's going to take you down the framework of establishing what's inside you already. What information do you have? How can you build a business? You go to these courses, what do they talk about? Creating your own products, content creation, strategies, stories, DMing, okay, and going live on TikTok, all of this. And this is given to you inside this free community. Now, let me show you. If I click on the Online Income Masterclass, the opening statement here from Josh. Okay, so we go into the actual business model, the winning business ideas. That's what they talk about in these courses that you're going to get, that you pay $500 for. So shortcuts, the Ikigai system. Now this is where you choose your own niche selection. Again, these courses go through that process. You're getting it for free here. So the skeleton structure, okay, product development. If I click on that, it's going to show you can download your product development worksheet, and the skeleton structure and how to actually create that using the likes of ChatGPT. These courses, yes, they have the information, but you're spending $500 to get access to it, right? Online Income Masterclass is a free community. Think about this for the second. The value is insane. It's just a no-brainer. Yes, I love some of the courses that I have in my portfolio, but I'm not currently promoting them unless somebody specifically asks me for it, because you're able to access this information for free here. And I just can't believe it, actually, that it's so much jam-packed information into a free community like this. So even talks about course creation. If you want to create your own mini course around a hobby or interest, or maybe you've got a business already and you want to monetize that and actually create a course of your own, and maybe even host it on a community site like School or Circle or whatever. Okay, it shows you how to do that, how to create this process for yourself. Now, goes through the launch steps, goes through the next steps as well. Now, if you come to this point and you think, right, okay, I don't necessarily want to create my own products or services right now, but I do want to start making money online. You can go through this process. You can go through the Ikigai, the niche selection. You can learn all of this. You can come back to the classroom and you can actually watch the completion gift, because that's the presentation by the mentor himself. You look at, you've got coaching replays here. You can go through that, and you've got the traffic secrets. It's going to show you how to generate leads to whatever it is you decide to promote. You can promote this free community if you wanted to. And on the back of that, this can lead to high ticket commissions for you. So you don't need a product or service of your own to get started. You can simply follow this process, whether it's creating your own community or whether it's creating a business whereby you're just an affiliate for this business to get started, for this community. You can choose to be an affiliate for a number of companies. 86% of companies worldwide actually have affiliate programs. Okay, so but let's walk before we can run. You can promote this free community to people, and when they click on your link, they come into the free community, they start engaging, they start learning. If they want to take additional coaching, additional mentorship, they can do, and you will be tagged to that individual for life. So when they do upgrade, if they do upgrade, you get commissions on the back end of that business. So this is why I love affiliate marketing. You don't have to do all the hard selling. You don't have to go selling to friends and family. You don't have to go live on TikTok if you don't want to, even though that is a great strategy for when you're getting started, because it does really drive traffic to your opt-in page and you start building your email list, etc. Now, I used to go live every single day when I was selling digital marketing courses. I haven't gone live for a long time, I am going to start doing it again, but not every day. I don't want to be tied to that going forward in my business. But with affiliate marketing, that part of the business is almost done for you. There's a brand new launch happening tomorrow, whereby we are launching a done for you system, okay, which is 90% done for you. Basically, you get your own business set up for you from scratch. All the emails, all the funnels, all the content, all the strategies, all the mentorship, you get everything for a package deal. That's being launched tomorrow. However, you can get started for free here. So when you come through this, you get to a point and think, right, okay, maybe I do need to take this to another level. Maybe I do need mentorship. Maybe I do need that one-on-one calls every week. Introducing the Winning Edge Business Accelerator. 2 communities, 1 mentor, okay? So here you see the Online Income Masterclass strategies, path 1. We now introduce path 2. This is where you can simply become an affiliate, whether it's for this community or something of your own choosing, okay? Whatever you want to do, it's going to show you the strategies. Now, the difference between buying a course for $500, $1,000, $2,500, whatever it is, you might have already done that. And you might be very confused, overwhelmed, frustrated, lacking support, or you might be a complete beginner. Either way, the reason I feel this is the best path for people right now is because this particular community you see in front of you is a monthly subscription, $79 a month. At the time of recording this video, $79 a month. It is going up to $97 very soon, so if you're interested in getting started with this, now's the time to do it, because you're going to lock in that $79 a month. That is the best advice I can give you, because you can cancel any time. You can see the value you're going to get from this. Not only are you going to get the Online Income Masterclass, all that information, you're going to get everything else too. So if I was to open this now, you're going to see everything that you're going to get inside here. So not only everything I've just shown you, you're going to get the unlimited traffic formula, you're going to get the conversion rocket fuel, you're going to get the income increaser formula, and the bonus stress-free sales formula. Now that is just in week 1, okay? That is just in the OIM section, the path 1. When we go to path 2, it opens up a whole new world for you. Now, when you think there's more information in here than the majority of the courses that I've purchased, right? So if we look at this, the 6-figure affiliate blueprint, you're getting access to all of this for $79 a month. And if you think about it, how long does it take you to go through a course? 2 to 4 weeks, maybe? Spending $500, $1,000, $2,500? $79 to join the Winning Edge Business Accelerator. Yes, it's a monthly recurring subscription, but what you get for that is 2 calls every single week from a 7-figure super affiliate mentor that has changed my world, right? How I now run my business is simplified with bigger results, $1,000 plus commissions, because this leads on to other products and services that he offers. Now, I'm not saying you have to go down that route, but there are people that want a done-for-you system. They want a one-to-one mentor to have weekly calls as a one-to-one. The calls that we have as a collective, okay, are Tuesdays and Thursdays. We have a Zoom call every week, Q&A. It is brilliant. It is a breath of fresh air. Any questions you're asking directly to the mentor himself, and you get an answer back straight like that, live on a Zoom call. It is amazing. So just seriously think about this, because as you're building your business out, you're going to be building it with the right strategy, with the right direction, with the right support, guidance, everything you need, whether you're promoting your own community, your own products, or whether you're promoting this community and building up recurring revenue income streams for yourself, plus potentially getting high ticket commissions on the back end. And you're not doing any of the extra hard lifting for that, remember. All you have to do as an affiliate is create content that drives traffic to your affiliate link. And this is the place to learn how to do that really, really effectively. Right, so this 7-figure content mentor, again, I've talked about it in a previous video, but it's a personalized ChatGPT AI tool that has been created specifically for this community, that's aligned with the strategies that we get taught inside here. So it simplifies our content creation. Not only that, we get a weekly strategy content list of strategies and ideas for that week. All I personally do is feed that into that 7-figure mentor bot, and it feeds me out a stack load of content ideas for that week. and I get my hooks, my stories, my everything I need for the strategies, whether it's the AIDA formula, the hook story, call to action, offer, whatever it might be. Okay, so it's like the learn, implement, teach strategy. Sorry, I forgot then. There's so many different strategies that we're going through now. Okay, so I would seriously consider clicking that link below and checking it out. Weekly coaching calls is all recorded, and the midweek mini masterminds as well. Though tomorrow night we have the launch of the brand new product. Okay, so that's free to attend. Click that link below. If you get in before that, obviously you get an email from me with the link whereby you can join the Online Income Masterclass, the free community, and you can then just come straight into that calendar section and you'll see it. This is the winning edge, but you'll see here, there it is. Okay, there's the actual Zoom call for tomorrow night. Unlock $1,000 commissions for doing hardly any of the work, because they do the selling on the back end for you if your customers are ready for that process. Think about it seriously before you spend money on a course. Not knocking the courses, there are some great products out there. I've been in this game for 2 years, just a little bit longer than that now, and this is a new level. This is a completely new level, not just for me, but for complete beginners. I wish I'd had this when I first got started. Singular focused, guys. Okay, if you're going into this business, be singular focused. Don't fall for shiny objects, and follow one mentor as well. And when you get started, you have that alignment with something that you believe in. If you buy something and you spend $500, say, and you said it's not what I thought it was going to be, and you don't align with the product, the community, maybe the mentorship in that community, even though a lot of the mentorship in those big communities is a bit more generic, because there's like 60, 70, 80, 100,000 members in some of those communities. So think about how you can build your business for $79 a month. It's a no-brainer, right? It's a no-brainer. This is the way for you to go. You can join this. I know you won't cancel. You won't, okay? Because you'll get so much value from this. You'll just see that you're in the right place pretty much straight away. I can assure you that. But you can start risk-free, okay? There's always a 7-day cooling off period, so you can come in, check it out, let me know what you think. You can reach out to me personally if you want to. I'll leave a link below so you can actually enter your details, get that email from me, check your inbox, check your junk folder if it's not there, and reach out to me if you've got any questions. But join before tomorrow if you can, if you're watching tonight or tomorrow morning. Join us on that webinar and you'll be blown away, honestly. Just imagine that webinar is something that you can then promote for your business to attract high ticket commissions of $1,000 plus without you having to do the hard work for it. Think about it. Hope that helps, guys. Hope that gives you an insight of what I'm now doing online. And this is a breath of fresh air and is going to be the next big thing. So get in early. This is going to change lives, yours included. See you soon.